Top 7. Best alcohol stove. If you've ever seen a buffet or had catering handle the food for an event, you've seen an alcohol stove. If you've ever seen a buffet or had catering handle the food for an event, you've seen an alcohol stove. Number 7. Wealer's Camping Mini. You get a lot in this little kit for such a great price. Getting started is a breeze with this lightweight and ultra-portable model. Pull out each item from the inclusive mesh bag, and begin setting up your system. Simple flame control allows you to turn up the heat, or extinguish the flame entirely if you're getting close to packing up for the day. Crafted of brass and aluminum, you'll have an alcohol stove that won't quit on you. Simply screw the cap back on, store all the components in the mesh bag, and slip it into your backpack. Wealer's Camping Mini Stove only weighs a little over 7 ounces, and works again and again. Number 6. Trangia Spirit Burner. Was made to be compact and slip into your backpack without a care. As one of the most inexpensive models on our list, you get a grand total of 4 ounces in weight, and a screw top for fast and safe storage. Coupled with the O-ring to prevent alcohol evaporation, this is an excellent teaching alcohol stove, and works plenty well for the seasoned user, as well. Your simmer ring allows you to adjust the flame, or extinguish it completely. You don't have to wait for the flame to die out on its own, you're in full control and command of your alcohol stove. Less fuel, less carry weight, and all the power you need. Number 5. Evernew Stove DX Set. Looks like it belongs in a gourmet kitchen. Coming in at a stunning 3 ounces of total weight, this alcohol stove includes the pot stand, a windshield, so you can avoid purchasing an extra one, as well as a turbo plate. You can set this up, and let it burn. The wind isn't going to do a damn thing to stop you. This folds up ultra small with all pieces attached, made of titanium and built to last for thousands of full-length, 20-minute fires. This alcohol stove won't quit on you, not unless you snuff the flame. This folds up ultra small with all pieces attached. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best alcohol stoves or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Solo Stove Alcohol Burner. But in reality, Solo Stove is a twist on cap alcohol burner that has the durability to last 1,000 camping trips, and then some. Extremely versatile and a sink for beginners to use, this compact, 3.5 Oz alcohol stove comes complete with a fold-out handle to adjust the simmer, flame size, or extinguish the flame entirely when you're done using it. Your O-ring seal prevents denatured alcohol evaporation, which means you waste less fuel, so you have to carry less fuel. These are all about packing light. You get about 25 minutes of burn on a full cap with a medium setting. Number 3. Vargo Decagon Alcohol Stove. Simple as simple can get. Vargo made their lightweight alcohol stove dependable as can be, while upkeeping the stability and proper construction that they're known for. The bottom base plate works to stabilize your alcohol stove, even in the uncertain, rugged hilliness of nature. The large center hole makes this extremely easy to fill up in line. Constructed of titanium, Vargo Decagon stove won't burn out on you after extended or frequent use. This durable solution to your on-the-go hiking and camping cooking sessions weighs less than a grand total of 8 ounces, and slips away in your backpack with extreme ease. You may even forget that it's there. Number 2. OUTAD Portable Alcohol Stove. Quality burner that won't leave you wanting more, OUTAD provides the perfect solution. With a variable temperature control for maximum command over your burner and flame, you'll have absolutely nothing to worry about. The foldable handle/simmer ring rests on the flame regulator, so when it's time to kill the flame, you can do it with a flick of the wrist. If you've read the horror stories about leaking on your O-ring, you're not alone. OutTod read the same ones. They ensure their alcohol stove to be leak-proof, thanks to their rubber seal to prevent unnecessary evaporation. With a good, stable base and ultimate portability, coming in at just under 5 ounces in total, what more could you ask for? Number 1. Esbit 5-piece lightweight trekking. An exceptional note, you have a 5-piece set that comes with everything you'll ever need out on the trail to get an excellent simmer going. The 985 meat pot comes with a volume indicator so you know when you're running low on denatured alcohol. Everything comes ready to stash away in a small mesh bag to avoid losing components. As well, pots are made of lightweight anodized aluminum for maximum portability, and they clean pretty damn easy. As well, the total weight of this set is 15 ounces, leaving you with a compact storage assembly and a quick way to light up the night when you're out on the trail. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best alcohol stoves or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.